Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dojo Supercomputer token. Ticker symbol is Dojo. This token is up 152% today. Just got listed recently on CoinGecko, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, like I said, this token just got listed recently on CoinGecko, a brand new listing. They have a full white paper on CoinGecko, their webpage, dojosupercomputer.ai, Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, price chart, and contract address are all available on CoinGecko. Ticker symbol is Dojo. Now, there is a warning at the top of the page here. It says, project is charging excessively high buy and sell tax. Please do your own research before proceeding and getting this token. So thoroughly do your own research. Now, if anybody has experience buying or selling this token and had troubles with slippage, like had to set it really high, or they, charged you excessive tax, leave a comment down below. That will help other people make decisions as well. Now, I was looking at their Twitter earlier. If you go over to at Dojo Supercomp, that's their Twitter. They have 27 tweets so far, so this is a brand new project. They have 9,910 followers, and they just joined in March 2023 so far. 7 hours ago, it says, to celebrate the CoinGecko listing, taxes have been lowered again. Taxes are now 5% on buys and 5% on sells. So that leads me to believe that they can definitely alter the taxes, of course. That's the first thing that you can sense when you see that. And then, but then you don't know how high they can alter the taxes, so they might be able to put them way back up higher, which can be really sketchy. So like they obviously can alter the smart contract in that way. And then you think, well, what other ways can they also alter the smart contract? So hopefully they have a full audit and people can review all these things before. But that is one thing they can definitely alter is taxes. Now, also it says lowered again. So maybe they were really high, then they lowered them once, and now this is lowering again. And who knows how many times they've lowered it, but now they say it's down to 5. So if you are going to buy or sell this token, your slippage should be around 5%. It shouldn't be anywhere higher than that because they're saying the taxes are 5. So, I mean, 6 are at the most, 7 at the most. But if it's way higher than that, obviously there's something weird going on, something sketchy, because they're claiming taxes are only 5%. Now, this is an Ethereum token, so if you did want to get this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, trade your Ethereum for the Dojo token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You can find it on their white paper, their webpage, Etherscan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Somewhere around 5% hopefully. And yeah, it says they're trending on Dex Tools app right now, so that's something. They are doing very well today. And they have a meme contest on their Twitter, so they might have some contests on there if you want to check those out. But it looks like this is based off a tweet from Elon Musk. It has it pinned at on their banner, basically on their Twitter. It says, here's a tweet from Elon Musk. It says, Dojo, our training supercomputer, will be able to process vast amounts of video training data and efficiently run hyperspace arrays with a vast number of parameters, plenty of memory, and ultra-high bandwidth between cores. More on this later on. So that is a tweet from Elon Musk. So that basically this whole token is based off of a tweet from Elon, just like many other tokens are. Now, if you go to their Etherscan, they have a max total supply here. That is 1,000,000,000 billion. 1 quadrillion tokens, only 344 holders so far, and 9 decimal places on this token. Now, they do have a full white paper that you could check out. And let's see if that even works, actually. It does work. It is 16 pages long. It says, while we are aware that navigating the world of artificial intelligence can be challenging, Dojo is here to make things simple for you. We are a blockchain native AI marketplace that provides a broad selection of AI offerings, from machine learning to natural language processing, all in one practical platform. Because our platform is built on blockchain technology, we can provide our clients a safe and open marketplace through of which you can buy and sell AI tools. This means that you can have faith in the security, safety, and immutability of every transaction. You will always know exactly what you're receiving because everything is transparent. We take great pride in providing our clients with unmatched access to most cutting-edge AI technology on the market. You can find everything you need to advance your organization with our wide range of AI materials, tools, and APIs. We have the tools you require, whether your goal is to enhance customer service, streamline processes, or acquire a competitive edge. So Dojo is an AI marketplace that operates on the blockchain technology, providing tools and suitors with an extensive range of software APIs that meet their unique business needs. We recognize the world of AI is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and innovations being made every day, which presents a unique challenge for businesses that rely on AI to stay competitive and meet the demands of a fast-paced market. To succeed in this environment, businesses must have access to the latest and most advanced AI tech available. We're committed to providing our clients with a dynamic and ever-expanding roster of AI tools that are tailored to meet their specific business needs. Our cutting-edge platform offers a wide range of computer vision, machine learning, natural language processing, and much, much more. We understand that every business is unique and has their own set of challenges. With that in mind, our diverse range of AI tools ensures that they have the perfect solution. So one of the key benefits of our platform is the flexibility it provides. You can choose to purchase AI tools as individual components or as part of a larger package, creating a customized AI solution that perfectly fits your business needs and budget. So that basically you get the idea of what this is all about. It's an AI marketplace for businesses, for individuals as well. It's got improved customer experience, competitive advantages, and besides that, it's got e-commerce, businesses, AI tools can help with that as well. Financial institutions it can help with, marketing and advertising agencies, investment firms, payment providers, and crypto exchanges. So all these people it can help with, blockchain startups as well, asset management firms. And besides that, that is basically their full white paper. It just goes over all the businesses that they can help. Their tokenomics are basically on their social there, talking about 5% tax. Let's see if there's more on their webpage though. It says liquidity is locked and contract audited. It just says 5% tax, and that will help with development and marketing. So there's no like reflections or anything special like that. It shows you step by step how to buy this token on their official webpage, and you can check it out, dojosupercomputer.ai. And you can find this token newly listed on CoinGecko, so check it out there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.